help me don't skip it. I'm ready for my close-up.
Was the very first lodging facility built in the Grand Canyon. It was built in 1906, and it is also where Fred Harvey had his original restaurant in the Grand Canyon. It is a wonderful restaurant. There is the Fred Harvey restaurant today right there at the El Tovar. And it is by far the best dining experience at the South Rim of the Grand Canyon. Really a magnificent lobby. You will see animal head trophies on the wall. Okay, and for you Disneyland and Disney World fans, do not expect those animal head trophies to sing to you because they do not. Okay. But concessions here for you. There's the Arizona Steakhouse. It's a sit-down restaurant. They not only have steaks, but they do have a variety of other items on their menu, and it is pretty good. Outside, there's a concession, an outdoor concession, which is basically kind of your grab-and-go food. Grab a sandwich, grab a hot dog, grab an ice cream, grab a soda. Don't intentionally feed them. Okay, do not intentionally feed them, because I'm telling you, they are nasty. More people get treated at the Grand Canyon for squirrel bites than anything else. Bottles or your water bottles that you brought with you, I would be happy to do that, okay? And if you have any questions, perfect time to ask, okay? Thank you for listening, folks. You're fantastic.
There's a song that they sing when they take to the highway. All the way around? Super tight. I don't like to cut on guys, but when I was back in Wisconsin last
That will get you home quicker than you ever thought possible.
Close the door and sit back there in front of yourself.
Our little 5-minute break.
Where are you from, son?
Oh my God, when did you get that?
Wasn't that beautiful?
Let's see what else we can do with this thing.
That good news is that there's only 3 train robbers. Only 3. Not 87,000 new IRS agents coming to rob you.
Carter. Then what happened?
That's a good spot for it.
All right, where's your Carter? She's got it. Tell you what, man. Yeah, nobody put a ring on it yet, but I'll do it myself. I'll find a good one. If it fits, that'd be like a Cinderella story. Come on now, man. Well, it's on there pretty tight. Much obliged, brother. Very nicely done. Very nicely done. Excellent. What about this guy? You paying for him too? Yes. That was a very begrudging yes. That was a very begrudging yes. Oh, there we go. Just in the nick of time. Something for him too. Tell you what. Give it to that little guy. He gets a little job. Go ahead and give it to him. There you go. All right. Much obliged. I like your preparation all laid out there for you. Excellent work.
Do you have receipts?
Oh no. That's a healthy dose of skepticism. I'm ready for my close-up. That was really close. That was really close.